Assalamu alaikum. This is Shakeel Mansha and you are watching English with Shakeel Mansha. Today is our first lecture in the series of basics of English grammar, and today we will talk about parts of speech. Okay. I have just written a sentence on the board. Uh, the sentence is I have an urgent meeting tomorrow, so I am rather busy. Okay. Uh, what is the concept of parts of speech? Parts of speech are the parts or are the words that we use whenever we speak or we write. Or we can say, whenever we use language, we use words. These words, when they join together, they make sentences, and we use those sentences either in spoken or in written form. Okay, I have written a sentence, and this sentence comprises of certain words. Now, the idea of part of speech is that each word has a certain function in this sentence. For example, if I say the first word that is written I, it's a pronoun in grammar. Have is a verb and it's an article. Urgent, grammatically, it's an adjective. Meeting is a noun. Tomorrow is an adverb. Similarly, so is a linking word. I again is repeated here. Am is again a verb. Rather is an adverb. And busy again it's an adjective. Now, you can see in a single sentence, certain words do have certain functions. This pronoun has a certain function, and this function cannot be performed by this word which is have because it's a verb. Similarly, an article has a certain function as compared to a pronoun. Each word in a sentence perform certain function, and such functions are decided on the basis of the class a word belongs to. Okay, this word pronoun belongs to the category pronoun, and this word article belongs to the category of articles. Okay, when we talk about parts of speech, we have either 8 or 9 parts of speech. Some grammarians say there are 8 parts of speech, and some say no, there are 9. They include another part of speech which some exclude. The first one is a noun. Noun is a naming word, a word that is used for the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. This is called a noun. The second is pronoun, something that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. The third part of speech is adjective. Adjective is something which shows qualities of a noun or pronoun. These three parts of speech, noun, pronoun, and adjectives, they are attached very closely to each other. Okay, the fourth part of speech is verb. Verb is something, is a word that shows action or it shows a state. Similarly, adverb is a word that adds something into the meaning of verb. If a word adds meaning or tells us more about a verb, such word is called an adverb. Okay, the next part of speech is preposition. Preposition is a word that joins or shows links. The next word is conjunction. Conjunction is used to join words. They join more than one words together, or a conjunction is used to join phrases or clauses. The second last one is interjection. Interjection are words which express certain emotions. They are the words which are attached to certain emotions. And the last but not the least is articles. Okay, this is the part of speech which we can say the ninth part of speech. Some grammarians say this is not the part of speech, and some say no, this also belongs to the list of parts of speech. Articles are of three. The first category is called indefinite articles, and in this category we have a and an. The second category which we have is called definite articles. And in definite articles, we have only one member, that is the or the. Both pronunciations are used. Okay, this is all about the brief introduction of parts of speech. In the next videos, in the coming videos, I will be sharing more details about these parts of speech. Thank you so much.